Hello everybody, welcome to my channel, and I am so sorry if you hear any background noises, but today not today, but I've had this vending machine for a while, and I put my most used LPS in there, and yeah. It was made from scratch. I didn't watch any tutorials on it. And here's how it's going to work. So, a baby LPS is 1 point, and a kid LPS is 2 points, and a regular LPS is 3 points. So, let's bring in the vending machine. Also, I may or may not make a tutorial on how to make this, but I don't know. Bring in the vending machine. Here it is, in all its glory. I'll bring it over here. No, one fell in. Two fell in, actually. Wow. Okay, well, it was the mom and Mariah. Just gonna shove them back in here. So, basically, what I have to do is I have to push this back and forth until an LPS falls in. One fell in, I heard it. Oh, there's two. One is a regular LPS, and it's the mom LPS. Well, the LPS I usually use for my mascot's mom. So that's 3 points, I'm pretty sure. I have a little fourth one. There's that. And the second LPS is Raya, one of my mascot's friends, and she will be here as well. Two fell in. First one is Emily, my mascot's little sister's friend. And she is a kid, so she will be 2 points. You know what? I'll just keep this here. I write with my right hand, and I'm using my left because I'm using my right to record. So it might be a little bad. And we have Chi-Chi, my mascot's little sister's other friend. She's a kid, so she will be 2. I don't know if that showed up. I forgot to add a point. Pretty sure. You know what? I'm just gonna go with it. And I think that's good. Okay. Ooh, I think I know who fell in. Yes. Angel. Angel, my mascot's best friend. She's worth 3 points. Okay. It's Angelica, my mascot's friend. She is worth 3 points. Sorry if you hear any background noises. I have a tortoise and she is digging. We got Piggy, one of my mascot's friends, and she's a regular LPS. I'm not going over 6 minutes because I don't know how much space my tablet can Discord, Zoe. My mascot's Bully. And she's a regular LPS, so she's worth 3 points. I'm just seeing how many I can get. If I get all of them, then this video will end off early. I got Brian! Brian! Yeah. So, yeah, he is Brian. He is regular LPS, so he is worth 3 points. And this pen's running out of ink, and it's my cow pen. So, I know who fell in. It's chocolate milk. Chocolate milk. This is a kid LPS. So he's worth 2. His sister, Jen fell in. Okay, now we have Jen. My mascot's Bully. You know what? Let's just dump the rest in. Because I said I was going to film for 6 minutes. So I'm going to just put them all in. So the ones are chocolate. Milk Chocolate's sister. They're twins. So she's a kid, so she's worth 2 points. Connor, Brian's friend, best friend, he's 3 points. And Maya, my mascot's little sister. So I'm just gonna take this away. Bring this in along with my mascot. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will put the number of points I got in the description. And thank you guys so much for watching. And I'll see y'all later. Bye!